I welcome you all to this phase 3 for the chapter Nelson Mandela for class 10 first flight book. I'll be quickly giving you a summary of the chapter. First of all, we talk about the inauguration. इसमें डेट थी 10th में. He was sworn in as the first black head of the state. And after lots of years of struggle, anti-racist party came into power. मैंने वेन्यू आपको मार्क कराया था, यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स इन द प्रेटोरिया सिटी. स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी हुई. कंपेनियंस थे जेननी एंड देन टू डेप्टी प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑल्सो. Their names I suggest you learn. Then, when it was his turn, he took an oath, he took a commitment to respect, protect, and abide by the Constitution and to devote his entire self into the welfare of the country. उसके बाद छोटा सा डिस्प्ले हुआ साउथ अफ्रीकन जेट्स का. It symbolized perfection as well as humanity's aspect and obedience towards the free country. And these commanders who were now saluting him, he was thinking that a few days back they would have arrested him and they would have called him a criminal. So he recalls the playing of two national anthems. उनके names आपने details learn करनी है. One was of whites, and the other one was of blacks. अब एपाथाइड इन साउथ अफ्रीका वी ऑल नो. अब एपाथाइड एक वो सिस्टम था जिसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होती थी वाइट्स और ब्लैक्स के आपस में. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कैसे इवॉल्व हुई आपको टाइम मैंने मार्क कराया था एंग्लो बोर वॉर के बाद और नेल्सन मंडेला के बर्थ के पहले. और वो बढ़ते बढ़ते इट केम टू सच अ लेवल दैट पीपल स्टार्टेड हेटिंग साउथ अफ्रीकन डार्क पीपल. दे वर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ देयर राइट्स and they were prone to cruelty and injustice also. Now entire system was slowly being changed by the work of Nelson Mandela. This change system came to a change and humans were started being treated as humans now, even if they had some other color, gender or age. There is a sub theme covered in the chapter. This theme is of regret and remembering freedom fighters. So he regrets. वो कहते हैं कि इतने सारे लोग जो इस मौके पे इस difficult testing time में emerge होके as heroes establish हुए. He regrets that he has lost them. To stand against the wrong from all the great nationalists to even risk their lives of freedom and tolerated in treatment but never stopped fighting. He learned that courage didn't mean the absence of fear, but ability to overcome fear. The man who overcomes his fear is called brave. His country, he says, is rich in minerals and gems, but its greatest strength is in its people. Freedom was the result of sacrifices of countless people, and he wishes that if he could thank them all, but unfortunately they didn't live to see the result of their courage. There's one more theme of goodness and duties of a human. He says that I always look for goodness in people's eyes. One is taught by society to hate humans because of the skin color and gender, but no one is born with hatred because love comes naturally. If people can be taught hatred, they can be taught love and brotherhood. Goodness can never be suppressed and it can never be eliminated from a human being. There's a theme of challenging the of responsibility, society versus family. He says he to maintain the balance between the two was never so easy. He says to be in order to be there for his people, he was compromising his own family. Ultimately, he joins ANC and he becomes a selfless man who fought for the freedom. Then, what is the meaning of freedom by Mandela? Very interesting and very important. He joined ANC. There, he came to know that his basic rights were not being given; they were snatched away by people who did not look like him. He became a selfless man. He was opposed to all this before, and according to him, freedom could not be divided. Snatching away was equivalent to taking away from anyone, and and that meant giving it away from the author. To conclude, he says one more thing. He talks about the freedom of oppressor and the oppressed, and both of them need to be freed. They need to be free because oppressor is bound by the shackles of hatred. He has the weight of so many people whom he has tormented, for he creates the curses of all their families for taking away someone else's freedom and making him a prisoner. He becomes a prisoner of blame, a prisoner of biasness. Thus, he is robbed of his humanity and he needs to be freed also. There are some long questions I have given. I told you this is very important line. Depths of character creates operation creates heights of character. Illustrate. So I have read this. I'll be reading this answer. All long answers are to be given in 3 paragraphs, at least 3 paragraphs. Yes, I agree. The depths of operation create heights of character. Mandela illustrates this idea, giving examples of people who emerged as great freedom fighters after years of oppression and brutality in India. The unintended effects of the brutality and the atrocities faced by them have made them emerge as heroes in the world. The value of freedom is better known to that human being who has not tasted it till he gets it. A person who is changed with the limits and not allowed to perform his duties freely values freedom more than anyone else. Great African patriots like Oliver Tambo, Wilson Sisulu, Dithuli Tatu, and many more. These people have emerged as men of courage, wisdom, and large heartedness, and they suffer a lot for the freedom and equality of the blacks. Though unintended, all this continued oppression has resulted in creating men with extraordinary courage and strength, which he thinks he also needs to learn from. One of the greatest examples in our country is also where British rule was there for more than 200 years, and this oppression of magnitude, India got freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh and all, and these are renowned worldwide. व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीडम दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड. अब थोड़ा सा ये जनरल है, पहला पार्ट तो फ्रीडम के बारे में आप क्या समझते हो एंड हाउ डज़ ही इंटरप्रेट फ्रीडम. तो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में मैंने एक जनरल दिया फ्रीडम के बारे में. एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स टू लिव अ फ्री लाइफ, इट कम्स नेचुरली बिकॉज वी आर सोशल एनिमल्स, and the more we are deprived of, the more we long for it. It ultimately gives the strength to community and the resolve freedom for it like it happening in South Africa. नाउ नेल्सन मंडेला ने क्या बोला फ्रीडम के लिए, वो पॉइंट्स बुक वाले हम लिखेंगे. फ्रीडम कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड, स्नैचिंग इट फ्रॉम वन पीपल मीन्स टेकिंग इट फ्रॉम द अदर एवरी वन, एंड इट meant taking away from him also. He joined ANC, and when he realized only his basic rights were snatched away, but also all those looked like him. So not only his was snatched, also anybody who looked like him was also in trouble. It was a knowledge that he and his people had restricted freedom that made him into a selfless man as opposed to before. He mentions that the need to free oppressor is so high as that is the need to free the oppressed. Because oppressor is bound by the shackles of hatred, he has the weight of all the people who he has tormented, for he carries the curses of all other families. For taking away someone else's freedom and making him a prisoner, he becomes a prisoner of biasness, and thus is robbed of his beauty, robbed of his humanity, and he needs to be freed as well. That was all for the lesson. Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, for class 10. Get back to me in case you have any problems. Keep excelling in English and have a nice day.